Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Ka nongyalam jong kathma urang li juki ka kong Angela rengat kala kedau ya ki jingduna ki baka sarkar ka dipen penbet thamai no ha ka bayade baka jinglong jingman ka sor shilong ka kong Angela kala ong bahaga Kyrteng jong ka smart city ka sarkar ka shuplut phut Theh Pisa shiki ki Myntoi ki pai ba kala kedau ru ya ki mat ki bayade baka jingtheng kali hanong ba shilong ya ka baka sarkar kamshim na shim ki lat kidenti ki badai Hanrei ki bahek ki bahan tang shumi kali thamai kila brand no ki kali rim bat thiet daki kali thamai bakani kamyarap satya banweng ya ka jingtheng kali kakong Angela klakren ya kani hakasngi baka Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Hawkers and Street Vendors Association kala rakhi ya ka jingdap shi postnem ka jongka
Laisngi ngira ya don ni ka jing rakhi ka jing dap shipos nam ka sang bat haka hapdeng ka jing le kwen ngis ngau mangi dibin pendon kami kini ka poru ban ya pleu jing mot halor ki issue ki ba repair ki ba kata e kanong ba shlong ba ki nong song shlong bro te haka tu ko sngi ngira ya kren halor kani ka digital infrastructure hato ka yarap shishan e ki nong trainong bala naman mata baro everything what ban yo ya kani ka jing try kam ka basha ka hui ki ongin le digital which is a good thing dali bakayat bet ba mga mapi padeng you don't access ya ka to ka digital information and database mo handai ngan shu ai nok sai be kung mata ya ka ka program cha sarkar ka ba kong san ha ka ba dei kani ka jing ai ba mi ki khla khlung ba diki ba pun ba kha kita ki anganwadi workers ki hap man pendon kam ka portion tracker kibai ki nong trai nong balaru ki hap man kam kibai de ki judge apps or digital technology bakin upload ya ka report lane bakin le facial recognition ya ki beneficiaries kajing tmut ko ong hana haoi ban track baki trai kam but baki beneficiaries ki yo kajing Myntoi report sin ka technology hi ka field katuka facial recognition kam recognize nama kirang he rang san ki khna khlung katuka mobile baki yo ka hang tika penwan lamma ni kajing yaki nong trai nong bala bat ru yakini ki scheme and kidi ki ba kong san ba ban biang ka bam ka di ban biang ka he ka san ki khlung kani ka ditang ka wei ka nuksa so ngi menin nge pledging mut halor kani ka digital technology how can it be a people's digital technology ka bawan lam chi shai ka transparency and accountability tang bakan dei saka wei ka lat ban nyon bet namal menta jinjar pa everything is digital kini ki jing an chu ai nuksa ka ba dei ki nong di madan ru ha ka to ki ong kin ai ka to jing krishan ka shipo ja bakin le direct transfer andre ar shipo shisin ai then ar hajar sanspa now kadang ka case ba shipo hajar la transfer hadin kata ki ong ina ada ai tai ar hajar sanspa tamampoi na ong bale hana imat pi bakla mo pi hana man ai ka account number ni aku non bakla habala ai da ka xerox of the passbook and also the first transfer ka ya so what is the problem where is the issue of these kind of digital hurdles yakibrio so yesterday ngi akran tak ki ndai menta singi ka bakham kong san ka discussion namar lada pipet yakata ka smart city ka bakiro ka smart city the experience jongi baro ka shulong ka jing bay Pisa ka jing Theh Pisa shiki infrastructure projects ki bam Myntoi yang ai tang mengyeng ni ha IGP point itai traffic island hintai hokror kishna nakataka smart city that could have been put to better use now mga mapi ngi dei hok bandran ka benta bangini ajing mut what do we imagine the smart city to be ke aishi sha kita ki jingdon kam jong menta ka ba aro ya khnyum hayeng ya khnyum ya khnyum and we are finding ya persang manwat kilat la jong ya mi no dang step ne ngia thiet kali arlai tali ne ngia pak sunan kalin to balale on school krang man lat ya ka block this is just a temporary solution kabam kan thop lang ya baro let's say ki badon BM ki la ban lap kom kita ki solution ki bu du driver ndala dheng kali ki kan thi not tu ki ya du driver so ya wat jakapa. These are all very bad ideas and bad temporary solutions. Ni hapan lap ya ka ba biang lang ya baro. Timenta sing ini perlu jing mut halor takad dheng kali. Namal ba tang ban shushna ki parking lot kamnum wen ya kini kajing tang ba shna shok ki surok ba penyar ki surok handap yang ki surok di kali an kata ka dika experience jong kini ki sorba ki ba even in Europe and other South Latin American countries, Southeast Asia la pau ba ka ba la ban weng shisha kini kajing traffic and vehicular congestion kadai a vibrant public transport system. Baling ya tiang kata baling ya implement properly kata ki school basi kini ki balai tray balai ki he sarkar jong ni tang shumi kali thamai ki thiet condemn no it barim ki thiet ki SUV behe ki tur ki pan khamya am. What is the difficulty when you share and carpool? So those are some of the issues on traffic and they can nong ba ka face to the issue of safety manta for children. There is no place for them to play. Everything is being converted. All the streets are parking. All the places we have, open spaces, are being converted into parking. And then, ka street light kambyang, ka garbage collection and disposal kambyang, ka kambyang. So it's a collapsing city. It is a collapsing city also because we know, balay ba, kambyang kita karukom don kita ki institutions, ba don ki representatives, jong ki pat ba, ki ba pet halor ka civic issues jong ka city. Tingin hap yo pelujing mut halor kita ki shwa pakandir palat kapor yang ngi kung kinong song snong hangi.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat ki bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khya jong ki pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba phinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arjar henril ling ba ka section lai phoi iwe kam de ka ba ba pinyo ka license pila ban apply ka online link ba ka website fascas.fssai.gov.in da ka ba pi hap pan upload ru ki kod kisla badan kam kat kum ka jajing kam jong pi pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habro ke district ke badan hamegalaya latno tang is khasihers pila ban let bed chak office terekam jongki ka commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakirshan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.